Alright, welcome back everybody. This next video is another unboxing, and this one is earphones, second generation with magnetic charging case. Yep. So I am a musician and I love music, and then so I could study myself mainly. So I don't really listen to music, other artists to get inspired. I don't need none of that. All I need to do is just pick up an instrument, whatever I'm feeling, that's what's gonna come out. Okay, hold on my peeps. There you go. Break the plastic seal, original 100%, A and C, whatever that means. If anybody knows, put in a comment. Alright, let's do this. Oh! What was this? Oh! So here they are, my peeps. It's a little case. Got the wire, the cable, charging cable. Oh! These are falling off. That's it. Put these back. Just wanted to see what's inside. What is this? Batteries? Oh, these are the different options as far as like the. You get the small ones, you get the bigger ones. I don't know if you guys can see it. Come on, camera. This like goes black, the LCD screen. And I don't know what I'm looking at, but there you go. Little close up. So you got 3 different sets to choose from. Extra small, small, and then large. I don't know if you guys can see that. Alright. And then this thing comes wrapped. There goes a little port to charge them. How do you do this? Let's see. Okay, right here. There you go. Okay. And then right here. Okay, cool. Bam! Check it out, my peeps. Woohoo! I never owned one of these bad boys. Oh, and they already have with their own, so you could swap the other ones. This is the right one. Nice, nice. Nice, nice, my piece. Woohoo! I got some. Nice, cool little case. And they're magnetic. Yeah, they're magnetic. Look, they don't fall. Yeah, this is so cool. Alright, my peeps, this was quick and easy. Is there a manual here? Yeah, there is a manual. I don't know what that, if anybody knows what that says, put in the comments. Holy smoke. Connect to iPhone and iPod. Connect AirPod Pro. Connect to other devices. Charging ear tips. Charge AirPods Pro. You guys can see this. It's like an accordion little manual. Swipe up or down to adjust volumes. Press and hold. Switch between active noise cancellation and transparency mode. Audio controls in control center. Swipe down from top to right corner to open control center. Touch and hold volume to see audio options. AirPod user guides. Support apple.com. Got AirPods. Support.apple.com. Alright, cool, my peeps. I got myself some AirPods. And hopefully they're badass, good quality. So I can listen to some music. Here's a cable. Look at those. Oh, I thought they were like Velcro straps. No, it's just made out of carding with glue. But there you go, my peeps. So here's the different end. This is the male and this is the female end. Alright, so that's it, my peeps. I'm gonna put this away. That's this video. Alright, everyone. I don't want things to start blowing up. Alright, so I'll test them out. I'll do a review and all that good stuff. Hopefully everything works out. They sound badass and I love them. And I'm like, man, best investment out there. You know, I don't regret it. Alright, everyone. So that's it for this video. We're going to go on to the next unboxing. We still got plenty more. Alright. Peace, love, and health. Remember, everybody, like, comment, share, hit the notification bell, subscribe, and be a producer, not a consumer. Alright, laters, everyone. Peace.